Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Before you begin, remove the battery cover, rear plate, and middle frame. Removal: pull back the thermal shield to gain access to the battery. Remove the retention tape that secures the battery to the display panel assembly. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Important: the battery is held in place by 3 strips of stretch-release tape. Each tape strip contains a plastic pull tab. One at a time, grasp the pull tab on each strip of tape and then carefully and slowly pull straight away, parallel with the tablet, until the entire strip has been removed. Important: if the stretch-release tape strips are pulled too quickly or at an angle, they will break before releasing the battery. Note: the removed stretch-release tape is not reusable. Lift the battery off of the display panel assembly and remove. Replacement: remove the backing from the stretch-release tape strips attached to the battery. Important: ensure that all cables are properly routed and cannot be trapped between the battery and display panel assembly. Align the battery with its compartment on the display panel assembly and lower it into position. Carefully apply pressure to the battery to adhere it to the display panel assembly. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board. Replace the retention tape that secures the battery to the display panel assembly. Replace the thermal shield.